Greeting to you all once again. If today is your first time of coming across this page, I welcome you. Also welcome your friends, your well wishers to follow us on this page and share our program as many times as possible. What do we have to teach today? There's a lot of people that somebody calls them for no reason. There's a lot of people that when they are doing something, they are doing business and they are seeing that their business is collapsing for no reason. Not they don't have goods in their shop, or not that they are not attending their customer very fine. They are just seeing their goods as in everything is going down automatically. And there's a lot of people that somebody calls them for no reason. The highest cost that somebody will cost you is when somebody is naked and curse you, and you do that person a very bad thing. That is why I always tell you people, keep your hands clean. Don't do anybody bad thing. Don't do anybody that bad thing, so that anybody that do you, if I tell you what you do, if you do it, that thing will return to that person that do you that thing. So what are we going to do? Please, if you know that somebody calls you for no reason, or things you are doing is not going well as you expected, or not that you don't have goods in your shop, or not that you are not attending your customer very well. You are attending your customer very well and you have goods in your shop, but things are not going well for you. Or somebody calls you for no reason. Please do this thing and take me later. Please get me an onions. If you get me an onions and you get me bitter cola, this bitter cola is a very powerful something. Onions is a very powerful something. Bitter cola is a very powerful something. Alligator pepper is a very powerful something. Get me three of this thing. If you wake up in the morning, first thing, wash your hands, wash your face. Why did I tell you to wash your hand and wash your face? Because when you are sleeping, you visited a lot of places. You visit those people, both good people, both bad people, both snake, both a lot of things when you are sleeping. That is why if you wake up in the morning, wash your hand, wash your face before you do this thing. Once you wash your hand and wash your face, get me onions, get me alligator pepper, get me bitter cola. This thing you are seeing on the screen now. Then, if you are a lady, get me 7 of bitter cola, 7 seeds of alligator pepper, and 1 piece of onions. If you are a man or a boy, get me bitter cola, 9 pieces, and get me alligator pepper, 9 pieces. If you get me this thing, please bring it together. Use grind that alligator pepper and that bitter cola. Grind it until you be in a powdered form. Grind it very, very well. Once you have ground it, get me a container. If you get me a container, put it inside that container. Once you have grind it in such a way that it will look like a powder. Grind alligator pepper and that's bitter cola. If you are a lady, get 9. If you are a lady, get 7. If you are a man, get 9. So grind it, put it in a container. If you put it in a container, then use that onions. Once you do this thing very early in the morning when you are about to go and bath, to go out in the morning. Bring the bucket water you are going to use and bath. Bring it. If you bring it, take it inside bedroom. You'll be naked and do this thing. Be naked in the bedroom and do this thing. Take that bitter cola and alligator pepper you have jammed together and grind. Take small one and put inside the water. Take small one and put inside your teeth and your mouth. You understand? Take that onions. Bend that onions. Make the root is down and the down is up. Put it inside the water. Bring it out. Put it inside the water. Do it 3 times. You say that anything that is 3, that nobody will divide it. So that nobody is going to divide your business or your destiny or anything. Just pray as you need your life to be. Once you have finished praying this thing, you understand? Put that small this thing in your teeth. Put that in that small alligator pepper and bitter cola in that water. Be bathing. Don't carry the bucket and pour inside in your body straight. Use your hand. Be doing it like this. Just be playing. Say any course, anything that makes you not to be selling market. Not that you don't have goods in your shop. Not that you don't have mouth to attend customer, but you don't know what is going on. Be saying it. Just be saying it until that water finished. Don't clean your body. Don't clean your body. Come out from your bedroom. So be bathing. Just use your hand and be pouring that water in your body. Don't carry the bucket and pour this thing inside your body once. Just be using your hand. Be praying. Anyhow, any place that cause or that promise and fair or that hatred is from, that you are washing it out from your body. That anybody that sees you be seeing you as favor, as your face will be sweetening all the things you say. Just be saying as you need your life to be. because as you need your life to be is not how I will pray. So pray your own as you need your life to be. When you might have finished doing all these things, don't clean your body. Please don't use soap and wash your body when doing this thing. At night, use soap and wash your body very, very well. In the morning, you can do this thing. Don't use sapo, don't use soap. Just use your hand to make soap and use that water to be. Just wash your body as you need your body to be. When you might do all these things, please allow that water to soak in your body. Come out from the bedroom. Don't clean your body. All these things, all that hatred, all that cause that somebody caused you for no reason, all this thing will be a bygone story. Do this thing if you are a lady. Do this thing consistent for 7 days. If you are a man, do this thing consistent for 9 good days. You see that all these things will be a bygone story in your life. I always tell you people, keep your hands clean. Don't do anybody. Make sure that you don't use this thing and play bad prayer against somebody, because it will work. Don't use it and do bad prayer against somebody that doesn't do anything. Please, just use it very careful for your own personal self and not for other people. I love you all. Share this video as many times as possible and invite friends to follow us on this page.